Hello guys, welcome to Jayakody education YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how you can make your book or assignment without any technical difficulties. So this is much easier, but you have to follow my workflow here. So this is not my workflow, but I made all the assignments by using this workflow. That's why I said my workflow. Okay, let's get started. First, you have to create a new folder on your desktop by using a right click and then new the folder. So I believe you know those fundamentals. Anyways, then I will type this as my name, and then the folder will be opened after enter. Okay, so then new again, then folder. So I made it as Word. Okay, now I'm going to create a new file here, Word document. I will name it as assignment.docx. okay, this is my assignment Word document. So I'm going to open it. Now it's open, and you can close all the notifications here. Okay, you don't need them. And here I'm going to minimize other things else. Okay, now first thing, okay, just see this document. You can zoom in and zoom out. Remember, if you don't need to make your eyes much harder, then just zoom in. Okay, if you need to check all the things, then you can zoom out. Then you can see the alignments and all the stuff by zooming out. But if you need to type something, then you should zoom it. That's my opinion. Okay, first that's it. Here you can also zoom it. Okay, or else you can click on control button and then you can scroll up and down. Okay, anyways, now you can type equals rand parentheses open, and then you can type how many paragraphs do you need. Okay, so I will make it 3, and then close the parentheses. Then you can enter. You will be able to see a random text. Okay, random text here, 3 paragraph. Okay, I just typed 3, so I got only 3 paragraph. Now I will press Ctrl Z. So now I can type 4. I can change it to 4. Then I will come to the end of the parentheses. Then I will press enter. So now I got 4 paragraph here. So I just got these paragraphs to make my video more clear. So I think this will help you to understand what I'm going to do next. Okay, first, when we open the document, actually we won't type anything, but I just wanted to type these texts because it will make your understanding better in the future. Okay, first, after opening a Word document, actually you should go to layout tab. Then you will be able to see margins here. Okay, now you can see there's a margin selected. Okay, it's called normal. This is a general format, but I need to change the margin here. So I'm going to custom margins. Now I see there are 4 margins: top, right, and bottom and left. Top, right, bottom, and left. So there are 4 margins. So I'm going to change it to 0.8. So I can type 0.8 here, 0.8. 0.8. So before you change it, you must ensure that you have inches here. Okay, you have inches here. How you can make it sure? Okay, first you go to margins, then you can see 1, and you can see some 2 lines on the top. If you see that, then it's in inches. Okay, the unit is inches. But if you don't have that, if you have centimeters or something like that, okay, then you have to go file, and then you can go to the options. Then you will see the advanced option here. Just scroll to bottom of the page, and then you will see under the display you show measurement in units of. Here you have to select inches. So after selecting inches, actually then you will okay, and now all the units of the Word document will be changed into the inches. Okay, now that's all. So I'm going to change the margin again, and 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, and 0.8. So here, top, bottom, left, right, 0.8. So now you can see the preview here. So if I change this to this, like 3, okay, 2, no, it won't change. Yeah, it changed. Okay, if I change this to 3, then I select left, then you can see the preview is coming down. Okay, so I'm going to change to 8, then it will look like this. Okay, anyways, what is this gutter? Okay, gutter is a special point because if you're going to print the book that which you makes here, okay, then you definitely need to have a gutter, because gutter is like, just think this is your book. Okay, so if you need to maybe you can staple this thing. So if you staple this thing and then you can open, okay, open the book, so then you can see, so how I can, okay, then you can see there's a little space here, okay, which covers with the stapler, okay, or binding that you do. Okay, actually this space will be a waste. Okay, this is space will be waste when I open book. Okay, there's a little space in the left or in the bottom. Okay, so this is called the gutter. So I can select the gutter position, maybe left or top. Here I'm going to select left, then I will say the gutter should be 3. So just see here. Now after clicking on the tab button, then preview will be changed, and then I will okay. Now you can see the text actually went to the top and also went to the right. Okay, actually text went to the right because I just added 0.3 margin, not a margin, it's a gutter to the left. So the whole total margin, okay, I will show you total margin 0.8 plus 0.3, it's about 1.1 inches to the left, and other sides 0.8 inches as margins. Okay, this is the first thing you need to do if you create a book. Okay, after doing these things, actually we can go to the further steps. So thank you for your attention, and I believe this video will help you in a different way. So thank you for watching the whole video. Bye, have a nice day.